million miles away. Yeah, I'm already gone.
Just let me out in your sunlight. I love the way it makes me come alive.
And it's not on this cutie that's on my head, but it's from the same company. And y'all, this is one of my most favorite human hair companies. I'm not afraid to say that. Y'all know I'm real transparent. And that's Nadula hair. Wonderful, wonderful, wonderful company. They always give me a coupon code. This is a 4x4 body wave that they sent over that I'm absolutely in love with, okay? I'm not sure what this is, but we're going to find out together. Okay, they always give me a coupon code. That's what I was trying to say. Look in the description box. You should see a coupon code down there and direct link to this wig. Okay, because I ain't gonna be able to tell you anything that this is. All I know is it's 24 inches long. Okay, that's all your girl knows thus far. It's 24 inches long. Y'all, is this bangs? Y'all know how I feel about bangs. I ain't mean to scream like that. Y'all. And it's fall too. This gonna be perfect for fall, boo. Okay? Cap construction is easy as you can think of. A band in the back, adjustable straps. Okay? It ain't got a single doggone comb, but it got bangs, y'all. And y'all, I love bangs, especially for the fall and winter time with a little chunky sweater. Little chunky monkey. Y'all, look at that. How pretty. All right, so what I'm going to do, because I ain't going to hold y'all, this is going to take, when I say no time at all, I want you to see the ease of this. I'm going to take this one off my head, plop this one on. I might run my flat iron through it, and then I'm going to come back with my final thoughts. Hold on, sis. Be right back. Y'all know I love bangs though. This wig is undescribably nice. If you're looking for a human hair banged unit, and the price on this is really affordable. For this to be human hair, this freaking easy. I'm stuck between, am I gonna post this to sell or am I gonna keep it? Because y'all, this is absolutely gorgeous, okay? The hair not getting, of course, any tangles or anything, but y'all know this is straight out of the, the pack. But the hair quality is superb. There is no lace to cut off, so I'm not getting any shedding from there. And y'all, I'm absolutely in love with this. I love the luster on this. It is a very natural looking luster. Okay, and I love the bangs, so you can be dramatic and pull them down into your face more, or you can pull it back. Yes, do I recommend this one? Yes. I'm kind of torn between which I like more, between this one and that 4x4 body wave that they sent, because they both are absolutely gorgeous wigs, okay? And they both are really, really affordable. So yes, get this one. Okay? Like I always say, maybe you're not even into wigs. I don't know. Maybe it's your auntie Tina. Big Ting, okay? I don't know. Maybe it's your Uncle Tommy, Big Tommy, okay? And he want to get in a wig. Let him put on this little bang unit, super beginner friendly. And he'll be living his best life. Until next time, y'all, because this one is a banger, literally. Until next time, which will be very soon. I want to pull it out to the front because it got stuck in my collar. Y'all look at that. Until next time, which will be very soon. Bye.